And so, what is it, Khatam, brother? This is from Pakistan. And this is bid'ah. And so you see, they come up with such terminologies. But it's your fault for not learning the right technology, or right terminology. What is that? It's not called Khatam. We have this in our terminology, but in the real terminology it is called Isalu Sawab. Isal wasala yasilu, Arabic, to transfer Sawab, transfer the reward. The meaning itself is fiqh. The meaning itself is fatwa. But if you're not going to use it, then obviously they're going to give fatwa to you. The word Khatam means end. End of what? End of the Quran. You read the Quran 3 times Qul Huwallahu Ahad, 1 time Surah Fatiha. This is like finishing the whole of the Quran. We call it Khatam. Made easy for us. Okay, you are hard-working people in the paddy field, etc. Don't worry. Just read 3 times Qul Huwallahu Ahad, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, Al-Fatiha every night or before at Maghrib time, and send the reward to those people who passed away. They had a simple formula. Those people were simple people. They were simple people. They worked all day, sweated in the paddy field, keeping you alive. And so this was given to them as an advice. What's wrong with it? What is the problem with it? Where is the hukum that it is wrong? So you see, you should be comfortable with the madhab of Imam Abu Hanifa and the rest of the madahib too, and know all of this.